How to register your property on Booking.com. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Registering your property on Booking.com involves several steps to ensure it's accurately listed and appealing to potential guests. So, firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for join.booking.com and tap on the Get Started button. Further, enter a valid email address and create a secure password. You will then have to verify your email by tapping on the link sent to your inbox. Now go ahead and choose your property type. Select the category that best describes your property. This selection helps tailor the registration process to your property's specifics. Now, provide your property details. You will need to provide your property's name and address, specify the number and types of rooms or units available. You'll also have to provide detailed amenities, facilities, and services offered to guests. Also set house rules including policies on smoking, pets, and parties. You will then be required to create a host profile, so introduce yourself and your property to potential guests. Highlight unique aspects of your property and its surroundings. Further, upload high-quality photos. You will need to add at least 5 clear and attractive photos showcasing your property. Include images of different rooms, exterior views, and notable amenities. Now, set up payment and pricing. Choose how guests will pay to you. Guests can pay through Booking.com itself or make direct payments too. Now, establish your pricing structure including rates and any additional fees. Further, configure availability and rates. Use the calendar to set room availability and pricing for different dates. Ensure your calendar is up to date to prevent double bookings. Now, verify your property's location. Booking.com may require location verification for security and accuracy. Now, finalize and go live. Review all provided information for accuracy and once satisfied, change your property's status to open or bookable to start receiving reservations. By following these steps, you can effectively list your property on Booking.com, making it accessible to a global audience of travelers. So, this is how you can register your property on Booking.com. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.